friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making air fryer croutons. So to make the croutons we need bread, olive oil, salt, pepper. You can also use Italian seasoning and your favorite spices if you'd like. First step is we need to cut bread into cubes. I'm just going to do it several slices at a time. And I will put the bread cubes directly into the air fryer basket right away. Now, once all the bread cubes are in the air fryer basket, I will add olive oil, salt, and pepper. And at this point, you can add other seasonings you prefer. Other great things to add could be garlic powder or onion powder. And now let's toss with your hands. And now we will put the air fryer basket to the air fryer and set the time for 10 minutes and a temperature to 350 degrees. Let's take it out and shake the croutons to evenly distribute and put it back in the air fryer. Now our homemade croutons are done cooking in the air fryer. Let's take a look. They look great, so perfectly brown. Look at these croutons. Homemade is best. You're going to love them. For free printable recipes and more air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.